In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use SEMRush to pull keyword information for our organic search reviews within our client strategy sheets for affiliate clients. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into SEMRush. If you need the password, that can be provided for you. Once you are in SEMRush, what you need to do is go to the keyword magic tool, which is on the left side here. Then you have to have a client in mind for which keyword you will be pulling for. In this case, I'm going to be working for the Menlo Club. The Menlo Club is a monthly clothing subscription box for men. So now what I do is I think if I was a consumer that was going to purchase a men's clothing subscription, what would I search? In most cases, people are going to search what are the best men's clothing subscriptions? What are the top 10 men's clothing subscriptions when they're doing their research? So that's what we're going to do here is we're going to type in best men's clothing subscription. Once you get here, I'm going to show you a variety of different keywords and different trends with the keywords that show up. In this case, it looks like the best keyword that I would want to focus on here is pretty similar to the one that we plugged in, best clothing subscription boxes for men. So I'm going to click into this keyword and it's going to open up a new tab for me. From here, it's going to give me all kinds of information on the keyword, but all we really needed to do is go to the SERP Analysis. SERP stands for Search Engines Results Page. So this is going to be the top 100 results that show up when people search that keyword. And I'm going to export this as a CSV file, right? So I'm going to export the list as the SERP Analysis list as a CSV file. I will save this CSV. Then from here, I will go back into the Menlo Club strategy document, and I will click File, Import. Once I've gotten this far, I go to Upload, and I can pull in from my downloads the downloaded CSV file. Now, this is very important here. You got to make sure that you do Insert New Sheet. You don't want to click any of these other things because they will mess up the sheet. We would just want to insert a new sheet and import this data, and it will bring in a whole nother tab to this Google Sheet. Now, at this point, what we want to do is we want to name this basically the same name, but we're going to make it a little bit cleaner. It's going to be the keyword best clothing subscription boxes for men. And then we want to note the date in which we pulled this keyword, which was 10/8/2021. Oh, it might not let me do that. So I'm just going to put a little too long. I'm just going to put 10/21, so we know it was October 21. That's a little bit of a longer keyword. So from here, the next thing we're going to do is the way that this information pulls in is all by the rank, right? So if you see the page, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way down. So we want to keep that as is. We want to make, by right-clicking here and going Insert One Left, we're going to create another column called Rank. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 to get this format structure sequence going. Going to highlight these three, grab this little blue square here and drag it all the way down. Now that's going to give me a 1 through 100 list of rankings. And the reason we do that is because here, the next step is going to be filtering this entire sheet. So you left click on the top, and then you click Create Filter. And we do this because we might want to sort by traffic, right? So now we're sorting this by traffic, and you see that there's a difference sometimes in the rank versus the actual traffic of the article. But now I can always go back and still see my 1 through 10. Next thing I'll do is I'll click the first row, I'll view, I'll freeze the first row. This way I can go up and down without that moving, and I can still see the columns or the headers. And then I like to wrap the text on the top as well, so I can see it easily. If you want to get fancy too, you can make this nice and clean across the board. So from there, the next step is going in and adding other columns. So the first column we're going to want is relevant, and that's just to indicate whether or not the article is relevant, and we'll get to that. Next one is teammates outlet record, followed by teammates contact record, and then teammates outreach record, and finally notes. Right, then the last step here is you're going to go under relevant. You're going to click Shift Command down. You're going to hold Shift and Command and click the down arrow, and that'll highlight the entire column here by holding Shift Command and then clicking the down arrow. And you go to Data, go to Data Validation. Then you go to List of Items, and then you enter the items that we want here. So we're going to want yes, no, maybe, only links to Amazon. And that's pretty much it. Those would be the main columns that we want for this article. So that's the process of using SEMRush to pull in keyword research for the organic search review in our affiliate strategy documents. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Oh, wait, one last step. Take the search volume of the keyword and just go in the keyword under rank here, just right click here, and then you could go to insert note. Something like this. There's a section that says insert note. When you right click, you want to just go in here and put the search volume of the keyword. And then that's it. And then we have everything we need to know about this keyword, from the rankings, the search traffic. We'll input some of this information later. That will be in another video. But I have all the search volume here that I need to know. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.